Our client is an asylum seeker who entered the United States via the U.S. southern border through the CBP-1 app over a year ago. He was detained in Southern California, was waiting for his right to have, a judge hear his case as to asylum. He was flagged because he has tattoos. He's in the arts field. Solely because he has tattoos, the only evidence that the government at that point had submitted were pictures of what they attribute Tren de Aragua gang members to have, just one page of a few tattoos. And solely because of that, having no criminal record, he has been sent to a very dangerous place where we fear for his safety. There was no order of deportation. There was no order of removal. He was not deported. He was sent there unlawfully. He still has a pending immigration court hearing that's coming up very soon, and he has a right to seek asylum. What happened here is extremely unusual and concerning.
This is an open violation of the United States obligations under international law because they are sending people to a place where they have serious risk of being tortured and subject to human rights violations. In addition to the violations by denying them the possibility of seeking asylum in the United States. We have documented in prisons in El Salvador cases of torture, of enforced disappearances, conditions in detention that are dismal, and massive arbitrary arrest of people who have nothing to do with the gangs in El Salvador who are being held in these prisons as well. These are dismal conditions in these prisons, and I am very worried about the safety of these migrants who have been sent there. We have every reason to believe that people held there are subject to the similar treatment as in other prisons in El Salvador. That is, torture, deaths in prison, and enforced disappearances. People in CECOT are completely cut off from the rest of the world and denied any meaningful access to legal recourse. This is an effort to create a Guantánamo on steroids, to put these people outside of the protections of the law, both in the United States and in El Salvador.